People, please come for my rescue. Come and help me, my Lord, my God. 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 Help me, my Lord, my God. Come and help me, my Lord, my God. My Lord, my God. I thank you, mighty God. Okay, thank you. Can I open this door?
Don't you open it?
No. As they're hitting that thing, they're just taking pictures.
I'm like, I should end it.
No. No, just open the door. Just come. No. They hit it and we're going live. Okay. No, wait. We must rush in here.
Power belongs to God. All power belongs. Power belongs to God. Power belongs to God. In heaven and it's enough. They should come in. Mommy said they should come in. Daddy said you should come in. You guys, Daddy said they should come in. Olama, you should come in. They are coming through the ceiling. They are breaking the ceiling. They are coming through the ceiling. Look at this. Look at this. There is somebody without any document. Daddy, look at them. Look at them. Don't worry, Mommy. I know what to do. How about look at them. Get on the floor. See them. Get on the floor. Look at them. Look at them. Lie down. He said no. This is how EFCC is coming in to pick somebody who has not done anything.
Let me expand this. Okay, yeah, how about you? Without invitation. Oh, you're on your presidency now, though. No, they shouldn't do that. No, they shouldn't collect the phone. No. Well, they shouldn't be listening to me. You can't do that. They can't do that. Okay, 20. Do you understand? No. They shouldn't take the phone. They should just leave him. Not been able to go out, and there are policemen and EFCC all over my compound, and my gate is blocked with their car. And all I'm asking for now is that could they please allow me to go for my screening? I have screening going on right now with all the presidential aspirants. My election comes up on Sunday, and if I'm not allowed to go for this screening, I might miss it. I'm not an unknown person. I have address. People know me in Nigeria. All it takes for EFCC is to send me an invitation, and I'll gladly oblige. But as I speak to you now, I've requested for any arrest warrant, any order of court, none seem to be available. Any invitation, and none have now been invited, and I refuse to go. But my lawyer has addressed them, and they're saying that the director they had instruction from above to come and get me. So I don't know whether this is an arrest or an invitation. But if it's an invitation, it's simply a letter or a word or phone call, and I'll be there. This barrage of policemen and creating some kind of trauma to members of my family is not the best way to go. I want to kindly appeal to the EFCC to allow me to go for my screening, and whatever the above means, to please allow me to go for my screening and do my election. The EFCC had also said that they're taking me to court, but they took me to court. I'm still waiting for to be served. I've not been served. And I have a series of court orders and judgments right even before I left office because of this emphasis what is happening now. So, quite frankly, the situation is quite ugly, and it doesn't give the best of image to everyone concerned. I think I should be allowed to go for my screening, and if I go for my screening, that'll be good. I won't run away, and I can present myself anytime. I don't know what's the urgency of the matter that I'm going to run away, assuming there's something really. But whatever it is, I'm waiting. I'm told they have remobilized, and they will soon forcefully get themselves into my house and possibly my bedroom to whisk me away and to get me arrested. That also, I'm waiting to see what they do with that. Thank you.